Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Dreamport, what it is, how it pays, whether you need qualifications, and how you can apply. Because a lot of people are confused about whether it's legit, how the money works, and whether it's actually worth your time. So in this video, I'll be breaking down all of that and more. Dreamport is a remote travel management platform where you earn through assisting clients with travel bookings. You are not a traditional travel agent working in an office, you work online. So you'll be assisting clients with flights, hotels, travel packages, and travel support. However, it's important to note that you do earn through a commission based structure. So for every complete booking, you then get a commission. Why is this a good opportunity? Because people take flights every single day. Now moving on. Dreamport pays per completed booking. So once a client's travel is confirmed and completed, you then earn a commission from that. You are not paid hourly and you do not receive a salary. So you are then paid based on the value of the booking, the commission structure, and the number of travel arrangements. The more bookings you close, the more you earn. So it's income based on performance, not attendance. One of the most frequently asked questions, so let's get into it. The good news is you don't need a travel degree. However, what you do need is good communication skills, basic computer skills, strong attention to detail, ability to follow structured training, and a professional attitude, of course. The most beautiful part about Dreamport is that the opportunity is completely for free and they provide the training. But the training can't be taken in a casual light. You have to be consistent and you have to attend the training to be successful. Now, this is the part that everyone's been waiting for: how to apply. Applying to Dreamport is really not that difficult. So, what I did for you, I left the link down below for you to access the Dreamport website. And all you have to do is click on the link, get onto the Dreamport website, and then create an account. A quick side note before I close out this video. Dreamport is not a get rich quick scheme. Dreamport is a skill based income opportunity. If you treat it like a skill, it can become a stable income. If you treat it casually, it just simply won't work. If you want to position yourself in the remote industry, then make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notification bell for whenever I drop a new educational video. Bye bye.